Ever wondered how to access the world of IPTV effortlessly? Let's dive in right now and discover. First, ensure you have a reliable internet connection. It's the backbone of your IPTV experience. Before we proceed, remember that 2TV.store offers the best recommendations for trustworthy IPTV service providers. Let's talk about playlists. These are essentially your gateway to diverse content on IPTV. To start, you'll need an M3U or XSPF playlist file, which serves as your entry point. You might be wondering, how do you get this file? It's simpler than you think. Visit an IPTV provider site like 2TV.store, and they might offer you this file directly. Next, upload the playlist to your IPTV app of choice, such as VLC or similar software. Ensure your device is configured properly to play the playlist effortlessly for seamless streaming enjoyment. One critical tip: always maintain quality service by regularly updating your playlists. Finding quality playlists keeps your content fresh. Explore 2TV.store for current offers. Did you know? Some applications even allow automatic playlist updates, save time, and enjoy more. Now that you understand this, let's enhance the way you watch TV through IPTV today. Your IPTV journey is about to get exciting and thorough with these accessible steps. Remember, whether for entertainment or news, IPTV offers endless options for all audiences. Stay tuned for more handy tips and discover more at 2TV.store for your IPTV needs.